So my name is Mary, and today I'll be talking about one of the themes I chose, which is love, which is on chapter 13. And for the writing prompt, which is number 3, is about to discuss the roles that Eros and Agape play in the modern understanding of marriage and love. And my thesis statement was to build a long-lasting love, physical beauty and spiritual connection is the key. But also, in my other opinion, is don't let your physical beauty fade your soul's beauty either, because at the end of the day, looks go away, but your personality will always be the same. So stay humble. And what is agape and eros? So eros is physical lust, and agape is spiritual connection. But also, again, my other opinion is physical contact is important in a relationship. Otherwise, he's just a good friend, which is true. And for music, that I chose was Fairy Tale by Radha God, and the song talks about how the love of agape and eros makes someone unforgettable. Like the singer was talking about how he misses his ex's perfume smell and the late night conversations and how much she cared about him, his loss. And for musical stage, I chose Beyonce Drunk in Love, and a dance represents the passion and the appreciation of the moments with each other. And for literature, The Fault in Our Stars, the book represents the passion between the two. While Hazel had cancer, but Gus stayed with her regardless. But they were bookworms together. Like, they had the same book interests, favorite author. They even went on a little trip together to see their favorite author. And they did everything together in the bucket list in a short time, until Gus passed away sadly. And this movie made me cry because it was so emotional. And for art, this is not the actual picture. The actual picture is on the link. But anyways, the art in the link represents red as the fire and passion, while the blue represents a holy, clean spiritual connection. And for theater, Romeo and Juliet, which is overrated in my opinion, but this play represents the passion between Romeo and Juliet and how hate doesn't get in the way in their love, since both of their families have conflict for some reason, which is petty, but that didn't stop them. And for film and television, by Christina Miliar and Nick Cannon, this movie presents how opposite personalities attracts love, because Paris, which is Christina Milian, had a pretty face and was the most popular girl in high school. Like, she was a cheerleader captain and all the boys liked her, while Albert was a nerd who was he was just a cloud chaser, to be honest, because when Paris' car broke down, he offered her money as a trade for her popularity. But at the end of the day, they fell in love with each other because Paris thought Albert was easy to talk to. And they had similar music tastes and goals in life, plot twists. But they fell in love and lived it happily ever after. But before being in a relationship, in my opinion, is to love yourself before you love others. Always, because you come first, always. Your money comes first, your mental health comes first, your career comes first. You come first. Thank you.